welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. A friend of mine, he has or he is in a club that is for Modell Railway, just little small tiny trains and cities and stuff like that. And they asked me whether I can make a pool for them or not. So they gave me this this square pre-made pool that they made and some figures that are supposed to put in there, like little boys and girls and stuff like that. So I said yes because this is something else to do with resin and something new for me as well. So I just start with this piece right here, and this is what it looks like in the beginning. And these are the little figures that really small, tiny women and men and one child and a thick man, and some of them they're not even dressed. Uh, yeah. So the first thing that I did, I mixed up some resin and I put some blue mica powder in there to cover the bottom of this piece, because the bottom was not that pretty and I didn't really like it. So I thought the first layer of resin should be in blue, like in pools. As you can see here, I used that color that I thought fit, and I'm just spreading it and letting it cure.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
The resin is cured now, and I'm about to glue those people into the pool and outside of the pool. And this is not really an easy decision where to place them, how to make it look real or not. What would be the reality in a real pool, and this was trial and error, and I took my UV resin and put a dot of that resin onto the piece and stuck one of those figures with the feet on there, and then I put it under the lamp, and I will let it run for you because it took me quite a while, and I will speed up the whole video a little bit so you won't be sitting there watching for hours.
I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.
So this is what it looks up to that point, and I will pour one layer of resin in there, let it cure, and then I will place some more figures in there and pour another layer of resin and let that cure as well. And because the whole pool looked kind of naked, I thought I make some waves in there. So I put some UV resin into my little cup there and put some white mica powder in there. And this is what I'm using to make my waves onto that pool water. if you want to make waves with the resin, you have to have something that the white can slide on. This is why I'm putting here a clear line of resin on there, and right in front of it I will put, from the UV resin that I put the mica in there, just a little line. And because the clear resin is in front, it should be moving a little better than if it would be only the white. So now you see me taking my hair dryer to do this, because I was trying to do it with the hair dryer. Don't ask me why, because I don't want to probably melt those little figures with the heat gun. And yeah, as you can see, it moves, but I was not really satisfied with the way that it was looking, and it ran all over the place, but not there where I wanted it. This is why I stopped using my hair dryer. And as you can see, the wave ran where I didn't really want it. And so I just took my finger and smooshed it a little back and tapped the white a little bit into the clear resin, and that worked. From afar, it's just realistic as it gets. I repeated the process about 2 times more, and yeah, I have this this woman there on this air mattress, or however you call it, I don't know, a pool bed or whatever, and I would stick that on there as well, and yeah, let it cure underneath the lamp, and yeah, then my wave's been finished. So as everything was hard, I just topped it off with some clear resin and filled up my pool just to make it look more realistic. And yeah, I think this is, yeah, a really nice thing to do. Something out of my comfort zone. I haven't done that yet, but I definitely liked it, and I hope you liked it too and enjoyed the process. So if you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. It would help me a great deal. Yeah, I hope you had as much fun as I had, and hopefully we'll see each other into my next video. I will put some pictures of the pool at the end of this video. Until then, bye bye!